So the Polaris galaxy. Tachyon owns all of it?
Yep. Ironic, ain't it? The one Cragmite they didn't vaporize comes back to oppress the galaxy.
Who is they?
Who? Are you kidding me? The Lombaxes vaporized the whole lot of them years ago, left the Cragmite planet nothing but an empty hunk of dirt.
Ah! All hail the Lombaxes! Ah! Saviors of the universe!
Attention transport vessel. A bioscan reveals a Lombax life form aboard your ship. Stand by for immediate disintegration.
Ah! Get the Lombax! Nothing but trouble! Nothing but trouble!
Sir, if you jettison the excess cargo, you could increase your speed and evade capture.
I couldn't agree more.
Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. Alright, for this episode we're going to be doing level 3. So it looks like we're starting off avoiding some rockets. Apparently you just go in circles. This is super easy. Alright, let's go down here. Looks like there's a little vendor. Let's go talk to that guy. See what we can do.
He's touching down in Sector 1. Send all.
Alright. We don't have enough money. Okay, let's do some... Let's upgrade the combustor. Faster shooting, yes. Faster shooting again, yes. More damage, of course. More raritanium, yes please. More damage. More damage, more raritanium. Alright, so we just have one more left for when we come back. Alright, let's go over here. We got these little guys. Try not to get electrocuted. No, 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 no. Don't hit me. Gun. Nope, wrong way. There we go. Alright, yeah, now we're getting raritanium all the time. Upgrades are going to come super quick. Alright, let's go up here. Ooh, there's a raritanium box back there. Let's go get that. Yes, all the raritanium. Alright, let's take out these guys. Uh-oh, these guys have a shield. Let's try out the plasma beast weapon. I don't think we've used that yet. Oh yeah. It's nice. It's like little landmine things. They go blah! Alright, let's go down here and get these boxes. I don't think we need any devices right now. Ammo back. Let's go get these boxes. Alright, oh, watch out for this guy. Oh, he got me. Man, he did 5 damage from one hit. Oh, he hit me again. Oh, this isn't good. Hope I don't die. It's only the 3rd level. Not even on challenge mode yet. It's this. Shiny. Ta-da! It didn't do the music for some reason, so I'll do it myself.
To neutralize shielded enemies. To perform a whip attack, press the fire button.
Right. Go out here. I think I want to completely level up my gun. Oh. Guys have shields though, so let's take them out. Alright, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't. Oh. Well, apparently I'm a 9-year-old. Well, that's very embarrassing. Let's editor, just edit that out. That didn't happen. So playing through this level for the first time, because I totally didn't die. Oh look, more raritanium. Those boxes were never there. They just. I don't know what happened to them.
Gadgetron admires your persistence, but feels compelled to inform you that your currently selected weapon is ineffective against shielded enemies. Try a stronger weapon.
Alright, let's go back to the plasma beast.
Wait until the enemy is unshielded.
Oh, are the grenades? Yeah, let's try the grenades. Work? Oh, it's breaking his shield. Oh, I see. I could learn to aim, you know. This would go much smoother. At least that guy didn't come back, right? Alright, let's go back across this bridge. Alright. Have some grenade. Oh, I'm out of grenades. Back to the plasma beast. Avoid the guy in the background. Oh, there we go. Level up. Yes. Psycho cannon. Take out the psycho cannon. Look at Tachyon on that TV. He don't know what's coming. Yeah, let's go up here. Okay. Oh, here comes the baddies. Here they come out. Oh, they jumped off for some reason. Where'd they go? Are you stuck down there? Oh, he hit me. He hit me. Alright, let's go out here. All of our little friends are out here. Oh, I'm out of these two. Ow, that hurt. Oh, avoid the laser. Let's go back to the combustor. Yes. It's funny how the upgraded guns work way better than everything else. Alright, let's go get these boxes since there's nothing over there. Oh, that's a miss. It's gonna happen. Oh, bad guy. How to use these? Here we go. Alright, let's swing over here. Let's grab that thing. Where do I go? Oh, jump on this. Okay, here we go. This is terrifying. Don't look down. Don't look down. Hope I look down.
Lombax sighted approaching the Sector 4 Skydock.
Alright.
All units move into
Sector 4 Skydock. Got a little bit of health back. Buy a weapon.
What can we do you for?
I want to get that upgrade. Yeah. Now we shoot some kind of molten thing. Upgrade plasma beast. Yeah, more damage, more raritanium. Oh, area, ammo, and we're out. That's good for now. Ooh, and it healed us. Oh yeah, combustor's doing awesome. Well, you can't handle the truth. That's what I'm gonna start calling this gun, the truth. Alright, let's go over here, take out this guy. Take out this guy. Look, we're catching everything on fire. Ooh, it's level 5. Okay, I believe this is as high as it can go.
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the magma combustor.
Oh, it shoots 3 now, though.
Modified with 3 additional plasma barrels to cover more ground.
I think this is as high as we can go until we get to challenge mode. So I'm probably not going to use this weapon much anymore. Unless I absolutely need to. So, it's giving me raritanium though, which is nice. But I do want to level up the other weapons, so I'm going to switch. Let's do the plasma beast next. Because I like it. How many of these do we need? Like 4. Ooh, level 2. That's what I like to see. More damage. Alright, give me all the raritanium. Is there anything down there? Oh, there is. Ah. Yes, let's go over here. That's the way back up. Here we go. Let's get these boxes. Yeah, more raritanium. I already have 1,000 raritanium. And just upgraded stuff. Alright, let's go over here. Let's jump back up. Looks like that's where I came from. So let's jump up here. Oh, come on, Ratchet. Do the platforming thingy. Alright, let's go over here. Avoid the shock water. Assume that's water. Jump, 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 jump. Alright, let's get on this. Look at him in his high chair. Alright, let's drop down here and don't die. Don't die, don't die, don't die. Yeah, everybody dies except for me. Oh, there's a gelatonian thing back here. Let's go get that. There we go. Show me your gel. And I'll show you mine. Alright, let's jump up here. Ooh, there's a rare titanium up there. I think we can just jump over here. Alright, let's jump up here. Yes! Alright, I think we can just fly all the way back over there. As long as there's no invisible walls or anything, we should be good. Alright, let's put this down. It even has a little picture. Alright, let's jump across here. Jump over here. There's 3 red buttons. Do I have to put a pad on them? Stay on? Maybe? Is that on there? There we go. I'll turn this one on. And this one. Did that do it? No. Maybe it's timed? No? Doesn't like it? No likey. Maybe, what if I just run over all of them? Yeah, let's just run over all. Oh, that did it. Okay. We're good now.
He's activated the bridge to Sector 5. Send in a dropship immediately.
Alright, let's get off the plasma beast. Can I just do it from up here and they can't even touch me? I think I can. You dummies. Oh yeah, level up. You dummies. Up here, let's see if there's anything up top. Alright. Boing. Yep, there is. There's more raritanium. And 2 Groovatrons. See? I'm so glad I didn't buy any earlier. Let's get these boxes, because I need the ammo. Oh, jump. Come on, Ratchet. There we go. Jump. Alright, let's go get all these boxes. Alright, let's jump up here. And smash. Ratchet, smash. Oh, that one blew up on its own. Okay. Come on. Alright. Need to go over there. Looks like there's nothing over there. So let's get our thing and bounce up top. Flying. Fly over here. Swing. Yeah. Let's explode. Alright. Throw this. Ooh. Come on. Aim. There we go. And there's nothing down there. There's a little cutie in a side chair. Ooh, cutscene.
Ratchet, those creatures are telling us to go inside that building.
Creatures? What creatures? Did you get your wires crossed in that crash? modifying yourself in private?
Absolutely not. And I do not care much for your tone.
So we can fly now. That's neat. Okay, let's do this. We can guide you, sire. I like their little blue eyes.
The Lombax is airborne. He's headed for the Hall of Knowledge.
Full of knowledge. Sounds like there's knowledge in there. Oh, don't miss the ring. There we go. Let's go over here and we're good. Yay! Yay!
The Lombax has penetrated our defenses and infiltrated the Hall of Knowledge. Lock him down and rub him out before he accesses classified information.
Right?
All right, Chief.
We can buy something. Let's buy this. No. Yeah, let's buy this one. All right. Go upgrade the plasma beast some more. Right. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's do this. Yes. And yes. All right. Plasma beast fully upgraded. Sweet. Yes. More damage.
Press and hold the fire button to lock onto enemy targets. Then let go to launch Predator missiles.
That sounds nice.
Attention, citizen. You have entered the Hall of Knowledge without authorization. Knowledge has been declared contraband by order of Emperor Taki. Any attempt to learn while on these premises will result in permanent confinement or to imprisonment.
Of course knowledge is contraband. Uh-oh. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Right. Some raritanium. Here. Looks like I gotta push the buttons before the timer runs out again. So let's go do this. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Go, 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 go. Come on, Ratchet. Come on. Got that one. Come on, come on. Don't blow up. Oh, you saw me.
Attention,
You're too
citizen.
slow.
The knowledge in this hall
There
is
we
protected by
go.
traps and puzzles so deviously complex that they will fuse your neural pathways should you even attempt them. For your own safety, turn back.
Alright, how do we go down? Nope. There we go. I figured it out. Alright, let's swim under here. Looks like I can go faster, so let's do that.
But the security measures on this level of the facility are far more devious
Alright,
than
jump.
the
Oh,
last.
hit my head.
Spare yourself the abject humiliation of
Makes little
failure.
green eyes. Alright, and you're dead, and you're dead, and you're dead, and oh my goodness, there's so many of you. Right? Oh, that's a miss. Nobody saw that. Alright, let's go in here. There's a bolt in the center. And looks like there's something on the left. Something up
Attention,
top.
citizen. This is your final warning. The knowledge contained in this hall has been classified as a threat to the Empire. Any attempt to enter the Imperial map room will result in a very painful and irreversible death.
Imperial map room. Here. Oh. And this gonna happen. Okay, let's go up here. I do think there's something over there. I kind of want to go over there. Then I jumped off. Let's jump up here. Yeah, let's try to make it over there. I do still have that gelatonium thing. I think we can bounce up there. Need to throw it on this jellyfish. Oh, I did not mean to go under. Up here, and maybe I can get on the... Yeah, there we go. Going. Ooh, a gold bolt. We have achieved. Alright. I think we can bounce all the way across. If I just wanted. I probably could have done this in the first place. Alright. Let's go in the tube.
He's in the ventilation shaft above the map room. We cannot allow the Lombax access to its database.
Alright, let's go down here. Oh, bunch of baddies. Oh, I hit the wall. There we go. Let's check out the new plasma beasts. Oh yeah. Oh, they're just killing everyone with one hit. Very nice AoE. Alright. We got this guy. Guide to air. Or ground to air. Ground to air. Shove the plasma beast at the enemy. You know what I meant. There's another guy. Surface to air. Okay, well that's what... That was actually a thing. I did not realize. Okay, it's like cutscene.
Great, we're trapped. So why did we come here again? Clank?
Planet Fastoon. Interesting.
Why?
Well, according to the database, it is a Lombax planet.
Download the coordinates. We'll take the escape pod.
But Ratchet, the database also says...
Look, there's no time. Come on.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in next week for episode 4. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.